Hey Miss Mamas, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MAKEUPMOO, and if you're new here, you might hear some sirens, and if not, you already know it's tea stink. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick 5-minute no makeup beauty routine featuring Mercier Beauty. They kindly sent me their full line, so I'm really excited to try it. But before we get into that, honey, we got to get into the tea on the brand, okay? So first of all, can we get into how they launched earlier this year and they're already in select Sephora stores? Like, I know that's right. And the beauty in this brand is their stance on clean products. What really caught my eye was the skincare benefits in the products. So for example, they have plant-based squalene, vitamin B5, and all of those good things to like not only make you look beautiful but actually treat your skin as well. So guys, all of my products came in this really cute bag that's washable, which is a major plus, because the only thing that's worse than washing your makeup brushes is washing out your makeup bag. Honey, it is not fun. So let's get into the quick beat. Out with a clean moisturized face. I am going to go in with my Hourglass primer. This is their mineral veil. This is actually one of my favorite primers that I mostly use in the summertime, but I want to use it today in the areas where I plan on placing the product, just because one, it has SPF 15, and for two, I feel like because Mercier Beauty's complexion products is kind of more of a creamy base, I just feel like this primer is going to give me that barrier that I want underneath the product. So next I'm going to go in with the Minimalist, which is their perfecting complexion stick, and I have shades Amber and Chestnut. Reason being is because I have different tones to my skin. So what I'm going to do is take Amber, pretty much I'm going to put Amber underneath my eyes and above my lip just to give me some coverage there. And the beauty of this product is that it's not a foundation, and it's also not a concealer. It's pretty much both. So with this, you just want to kind of place it where you need coverage. Now you can take your fingers to blend it out. If you're going to do that, make sure your hands are clean, and you want to use your ring finger because your ring finger has the lightest touch point. So if you do want to blend it out with your finger, you can do so by just lightly tapping that product in, or you can go in with their #1 brush and just sweep that product, just blend it out. Next, I'm going to take that shade Chestnut and just only kind of put it in areas where I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation. Again, I'm only putting this product where I need it. Next, I'm going to go in with their highlighting balm in the shade Bounce, and I think this product looks so pretty on my skin, y'all. Look at this. Hold on, we about to get into this tea. So where I just want to place this where the light naturally hits my face. So, you know, brow bone area, the nose, chin, lip, all of those areas. And I'm just going to take my #1 brush and just kind of press that into my skin. And just look at the glow. Oh my gosh, look at the glow it's giving me. Period. And so I'm just going to stipple that in. Oh, this is gorgeous. And what I really love about the highlighting balm is that it gives you that like within glow. I really hate highlighters and highlighting balms or highlighting sticks. Any highlighter that just sits on top of the face, it does not look good in person. I hate it. And this is just giving me like that J-Lo glow. I'm here for it. Alrighty, so next I'm going to go in with their blush balm, and this is their cheek color in the shade Mood, and I'm just going to put that right on my cheeks for some added color. And again, guys, you can use your finger to blend this out, or you can use the brush. Okay. Now, because I will give crease city, I am going to use a little bit of my Mercier powder in the shade Medium Deep. And so what I'm gonna do is just make sure everything is smooth and then press that powder in. And now I'm just gonna lightly dust that powder all over my face just to set everything, because I don't want my product to move. Okay, y'all, we looking good, we looking good. So next I'm gonna brush my brow hairs in place using their volumizing brow pomade. And just to make sure that all of the hairs are coated evenly, what you want to do is just kind of brush it downwards first, and this is going to give you like that extra volume. And then you want to brush and style them how you want them to look, because how you leave them is how they're going to stay in place all day. So now I'm just brushing them upward and just kind of slightly lay the top to the side. And boom, that's it, you're done. Let's do the other side. Quick and easy brows, love to see it. Next I'm just going to go in with their Clean Lash Mascara and coat my lashes evenly. Now I will say this mascara does not clump up, and I feel like it gives you a really pretty like wispy lash look, very natural and pretty. And so basically what I'm doing right now, guys, is just styling my lashes until I get them exactly how I want them. This is so pretty. And I'm gonna skip my bottom lashes because I just feel like it don't go with the look for today. We just only gonna do the top lash today. And then to finish off our look, I'm gonna go in with their Tinted Lip Oil in the shade All Naturel. They have another shade called Sangria, I believe, that I think would look so pretty with this blush color. But we doing All Natural today, honey, okay? And this color is perfect for everyday. Such an everyday pretty lip tint. Oh, it feels amazing on the lips too. It don't feel sticky. And it feels nice and hydrating. Cute. And baby, we is done, okay? So guys, it's literally that simple and that easy. This is the perfect makeup brand for that minimalistic girl who doesn't really care too much for a full-on beat, but she just wants to enhance her natural beauty. It's also perfect for moms who don't have time in the morning, or for the everyday working girl who just, you know, she just needed to look cute for her little Zoom call real quick. First of all, I just want to say how it literally feels like I have nothing on my skin. It feels so lightweight, and just knowing that these products are actually safe, they're clean, and it really just enhanced my natural beauty, I'm here for it. So just to recap, and I can tell you guys what I think my favorites are. My absolute faves, just like off the bat, I would say is the highlighting balm. Y'all, I hope the camera is picking this up. This glow, baby, this glow is giving what they said it was supposed to give. I really like the Minimalist because I feel like this product is perfect for when like I don't really feel like doing my makeup, but I know I need to go outside and I know I'm gonna be running into people and I just need to, you know, hide them blemishes. The lip oil I would probably use every day just because it feels amazing, it looks amazing, and the pigment is like, it's actually nice for my skin tone. I was kind of scared, I ain't gonna lie, I was a little scared. But I think this is such a pretty everyday tone and it feels so good on my lips. Honestly, I love everything. The mascara is pretty and simple. My brow hairs, they don't feel crunchy, they nice in place. And I'm just overall really happy that I got to partner with this brand. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on those post notifications so you know every time I upload. If you want to try any of these products, I will leave a link down below. And for your first order, you will also get that really cute makeup bag that I showed you guys in the beginning. Okay guys, I gotta go prepare for my morning Zoom meeting, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.